Hey guys, Bit of Pop Guy here. This video will be opening 2 packs of Battle Styles. Let's get into it. Remember, if you like this video, please subscribe, leave a comment. Yeah, we just, oh man. One, two, three, four. Fighting Energy, Seadra, Fan of Waves, Dottler, Cubone, Frillish, Blip Bug, Roly Coly, I love that dude, Jameco, Reverse Hollow, Tower of Waters, and a Mimikyu V. That's getting graded. That is getting graded. I love Mimikyu. Alright, let's see what else we get. Do you ever have a day where you can just not open a pack of Pokemon cards? Alright, I'm pretty sure it's just a green code. So nothing major in this pack. We have just a green card. But here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare some more. Lightning Energy, or in Collector Pop's words, Pikachu Energy, Gooder, Cacturne, Level Ball, Horsey, love this artwork, absolute amazing artwork, Mankey, Maywile, Fomantis, Remoraid, Cheryl, why Cheryl, Gilicent from Frillish, nice. Nothing decent, oh no real awesome pulls in that one. If you like the video, please give it a like. If you feel free to leave a comment. What's your favourite set of Pokemon cards at the moment in English? Battle Styles, Shining Fates, just Sword and Shield. I forgot what, Rebel Clash. Rebel Clash I think is the one I've been interested in. And Battle Styles. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, enjoy.